Yo guys, what's up? Today I'm talking about crowdfunding, and this is the Wefunder app. So Wefunder is a crowdfunding site that takes everybody's money, small investors. Basically, it's angel investing for the common man. So it just takes small investments like $100, $150, $200, um, and it groups it together with other people's money, and then you get equity in the company. For example, this one is iCore LLC. It's new. Um, Injectors increase diesel fuel economy up to 30%, decrease emissions by 90%. Wow, that sounds like a great product. Let's check it out. All right. You can see here early bird terms. You can see the terms. You get some investor perks for various investments. You can see the minimum investment's $100. So that $100, like for example, if you invested in Beyond Meat, could become $10,000. But a lot of these companies aren't going to make it. So more than likely it's going to go to zero. You might make your money back. A lot of these exit strategies are just to do IPO. If it goes to IPO, it could be really lucrative and it could be a good deal. But like I said before, like this one, it might get bought out by one of the big companies, right? Ford or GM or Dodge. Who knows? It could be bought. It could be licensed. There's a lot of exit points for these little companies that are just starting up. They could be acquired. So chances are okay, I guess. Um, like I think the percentage is about 1 in 5 actually break even or make money, and then the rest just they're out of business. So I would recommend that you only use capital you can afford to lose in these investments. And with the stock market the way it's been, and it's so highly overvalued, I think there's a lot of credence in these big little startups that are getting crowdsourced and making it available to the common investor. So as I always say, do your own research. I'm not an investment advisor. Don't take my advice. I'm just some guy on the internet. So I'm going to show you the couple that I'm investments that I made with Wefunder here. So much like Graham Stephan, I bought a bank. So Enville is one of the banks, new startups, micro bank. It's all online. Has some pretty cool features on it. And Aptera Motors, they're a car company. They have an electric car, electric EV car that can go 1,000 miles without being charged. And I was like, holy cow, that's amazing. I need to be part of that company. So I put a little bit in there. And then I was regretting, like, I should have put like $1,000 in there. Because for $1,000, one of the investor perks was you get like a free reservation for a car. It's like, man, I gotta get one of those cars. They're pretty cool. If you can go 1,000 miles, that's outstanding with one charge. And one of the other things it has less, you can integrate solar panels in the roof of the car for Aptera. That's awesome. So this is one of the other things that I really like about this platform, Wefunder, is they give you periodic updates on your company. Right? They'll tell you what news is out there. They give you a little thank you for investing. They give you some stats. They can see how big Enville has grown. So that's pretty cool. You can see Aptera Motors closes a $4 million Series A round, takes 250 million orders. Wow, that is crazy. So it's a funky looking car. It's 3 wheels. There's a lot of pluses and a lot of minuses. So you can see there's a lot of updates that they give you, and that's really cool. So you can see Enville mobile banking. You got a mobile banking. It's supposed to be smart and intelligent. artificial intelligence to help you manage your money better. I haven't really used it yet. I do have the app on my phone. I just opened my account, and one of the perks is I'll have a card that says Enville and like an owner card. So I'll be part owner of that bank. So, yes, not everybody, but there are a few out there who can own a bank. So, while I didn't buy the whole bank, I did buy part of one. So, take that, Graham Stefan. I can do it too. He's probably not watching this video, but he'll get a kick out of it if he does, I'm sure. That's hilarious. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to say these crowdfunding apps are out there. There's a bunch more. I'm not going to review them all, but there's a couple others that I can that I do have some money in that I can review. Micro Ventures is one of them. Seed Invest is one of them. That one has a couple of really cool features that the other ones don't have, and I'll cover that in another video. All right, guys, if you think this is a good idea, if you think this is a bad idea, if you think I'm going to lose all my money, if you think it's not a good idea, let me know in the comments below. I'm curious to hear what you guys had to say about it. So I look forward to talking to you more about this. So once again, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to bring you the daily options trade is what I mainly do. And then I'm going to give you, take you on a wealth building journey. Right? There's all kinds of investments out there, and I'm going to try to help us find them and root them out, and so we can become rich, right? This is part of my strategy of investing $100 a month in a couple different places, and you'll become a millionaire. You watch my wealth building video, the little compound calculator. It's pretty informative. Just one of the extra ways we can do that. So stay tuned to my channel. Hit the notification bell. I really appreciate that if you guys did that for me. And it'll hit the like button as well to appease the YouTube algorithm and help this video get out there and help my other videos get out there to help other people be aware and understand how to invest for the long term. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.